We do have the chance to see some freezing rain developing later this evening and during the first part of the overnight period. But aside from that, we'll have actually really great travel conditions today weather-wise. As we take a look out over downtown Grand Rapids, you can see US 131 north and southbound. This is just north of the S-curve and also, of course, the Grand River. Beautiful scene looking out over downtown Holland. A lot of the snow that we picked up earlier this week is going to do a quick disappearing act. And what a snowy stretch of weather we have had so far this season, particularly compared to last year's very dismal snow. We've picked up almost 25 inches of snow so far this season. By this point last year, we had picked up only a little more than 2 inches of snow. Just this past week, we picked up about 8.5 inches of snow officially, and this month of December so far, we have picked up a little more than a foot. A lot of that snow is going to disappear very quickly. Even though temperatures are chilly this morning, we'll see them rebound back above the freezing mark this afternoon. We do have a chance of freezing rain developing from about 6 or 7 o'clock this evening through around midnight or 1 a.m. And at this point, it looks as though the warmer air is going to continue to move in. So by daybreak tomorrow, as we head out and about first thing Sunday morning, conditions should be just wet instead of icy. And then the meltdown continuing through Monday with temperatures back into the low 40s for highs tomorrow, around 50 for a high on Monday. Here's a look at current temperatures: 8 degrees in Big Rapids, 8 also in Lansing, 10 in Ionia and Greenville, 11 from Grand Rapids to Hastings. 15 degrees currently in Holland and 21 degrees down in the Benton Harbor area. As we expand the view regionally, there's really no sign of any bitterly cold air on the map after last week's Arctic blast. This time around, the next system is going to be bringing us this area of warmer air from the south and southwest, and that's also going to come along with that potential for some freezing rain and freezing drizzle. You can certainly notice that is breaking out in northern Missouri, western Illinois, and central and southern Iowa, and this is the system that we are going to be tracking for later this evening and tonight. Again, most of our Saturday is going to be dry, even some breaks in the clouds with partial sunshine likely through at least midday, and then you can see that area of mixed precipitation continuing to move closer to us. So from about 6 or 7 o'clock this evening through midnight, we'll have the potential for some freezing rain. And then as the warmer air continues to move in, we will see temperatures moderate enough by daybreak tomorrow that any lingering precipitation will be just wet instead of ice. A few lingering rain showers will be possible again on Monday. Heaviest of that rain should track off to our east and southeast. Temperatures will turn gradually cooler this week. Highs in the upper 30s on Tuesday. Chance of a wintry mix on Wednesday. You can see temperatures do turn a little cooler again by Thursday and Friday. The 8 to 14 day outlook, which takes us to the week between Christmas and New Year's. A lot of warm air on the map across the western United States. Colder than average from the mid-Atlantic states down into Florida. And here in the state of Michigan, areas to the north, looking at temperatures that will be trending a little above average. And of course, you can stay with us as you travel about during the holiday stretch at fox17online.com.